Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum tray with the Flitz Liquid Metal Polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of our Flitz Liquid Metal Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to the aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. And then we're going to take another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Flitz Liquid Metal Polish uses a non-abrasive, water-based formula that polishes aluminum effectively without being overly harsh on the surface. It removes oxidation and surface buildup while bringing back a bright, reflective shine. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.